We just got home from our vacation. It's time to unpack your monkey barrel. I'm not sure. I will look for it. And I thought you guys could come along and unpack with me. So let's get started. So we've got those two cases there. We literally just walked in the door from the airport. And then this one big case here, which the boys have already taken out their monster trucks. For our family, we always bring our monster trucks with us.
I really want my monkey bear.
I'm not sure it's here, bud, but I will look. We always bring, each boy gets 5 monster trucks. They bring them to the beach. They play all day at the beach with them, all day on vacation. I don't know why, but they're just the best for us. They have monster truck races and anyways, so that's that. And let's unpack the rest. Speaking of unpacking, I thought we could also do some emotional unpacking. So we just had the most amazing vacation. I feel so good. And I wanted to chat with you guys about feeling good and about therapy. Are you my therapy dog? With BetterHelp, who I've shared with you guys many times with before. I use BetterHelp for therapy, and I want to share with you guys why I love them so much and why I recommend them so much. Thank you so much to BetterHelp for sponsoring this video. I'll know that seeing a therapist is good for us, but some of us, myself included, just struggle to find the time, the means, and sometimes the funds to really stick to therapy. And that's what I love about BetterHelp. Their options are super convenient. You just go on their website, you can find a therapist that's licensed for where you're located, and then you have the flexibility to choose what type of person you want to work with and how you want to work with them, be it online, on the phone, even messaging them. And if you don't like the one you're first matched up with, you can switch, which I know is always a stressful thing for me. And therapy can just be so helpful through any sort of life transition and anything that you're struggling with. I know for me, I always minimize my problems and think like they're not that big a deal. But then I find when I actually work with a therapist, I benefit so much. So in each case, I have 1 bag of dirty clothes. The resort we were staying at actually had laundry in the room, which was amazing. So I don't have very much, but I also just want to watch like my beach bags got dirty, that kind of thing. But yeah, let me show you. So I threw in our pajamas from this morning. That was like the last bit of dirty laundry. And then this bag, yeah. This bag is all the boys' dirty clothes. So I'm just gonna put that right into the laundry machine. And then this is what I love. Each boy has a packing cube in their own color, and they're all a different color. So I keep organized, and all I have to do is bring each of their packing cubes to their room and put their clothes away. How easy is that? So those were 3 packing cubes for the boys. This was underwear, socks, that kind of thing. And that's it. And then I have my packing cube of dirty clothes also. And when I'm feeling really together, I sometimes will even wipe down the luggage. Especially, I have one suitcase that's white. So when we get home, I just like to spray it down and wipe the scuff marks off of it. But yeah, same thing. I did 1 packing cube of all my dirty clothes. I'll throw that right in the laundry. My pajamas from this morning, and then I have 1 packing cube of all my clothes. So that's it, unpacked, ready to go. I'm gonna start the laundry, bring up the packing cubes, and that's it. Okay, I've got the laundry going. I opened all our packages, which was not very many. The boys just got new shoes for school. These are actually on sale on the Nike website, so I was happy I found those. I still need to put away their backpacks, or they do. And I'll show you our storage room where we have stored the luggage. The luggage, by the way, is level 8. I'll link them. They're awesome. And I will also link all my packing, this is our basement, packing essentials, all that stuff. Okay. Our water tank is down here. I just heard it. So this is our basement storage. And this is all our luggage. My husband just put these two back. And then we have the same set in black. This is the 26 inch. This is the 28 inch. This is a big boy. And then the two carry-on bags. I also have this one in white. And then we have some older luggage down there. And that is the storage room. Oh, there's another one. Oh, and then all our beach stuff is hanging right here. Not the most beautiful, aesthetically organized storage room, but it is clean, minimal, and everything is where it's supposed to be, so I can't complain. You guys have already been playing in the basement, and we are pretty much unpacked. I think it took me like 20 minutes. I mean, the laundry's not done, but that's good. So yeah, okay, so let's unpack for a minute mentally, because this was this was such a good vacation, and it was the first vacation that I can remember that I have not wanted to come home. I mean, I have loved many of our vacations, all of our vacations. I always love our vacations, have a great time, but I'm always like anxious to get home. And I always am like, well, I prefer my own bed, or I just want to like get home and organize things, get ready for the next week or holiday or whatever it is. This was the first trip where I was like, no, I could stay here. So I was trying to figure out like what that was, and kind of tying into therapy. Something I've been talking a lot about with my therapist is I get really caught up in like school and friends, my kids' school and friends, and work stuff too. Like, you know, someone's doing better than me on Instagram or something, and like that gets in my head, or like, you know, whatever drama's going on with friends. I mean, there's not that much drama, but you know, just everyday mom stuff. And then school, always, it's like, if we're annoyed about the teacher, drama, like, you know, just that typical stuff. And this week,
what are you saying?
I'm filming my video for work. You can come be in it. And this vacation was the first time I like really felt like, maybe it's because we were in summer break too, and so I'm not like in the middle of anything. Like camp had ended, school hasn't started yet, so it really felt like a good time to be away. Did you have a good time on vacation?
Yes.
Tell me all about it. What was your favorite part?
Playing monster trucks with Max.
Playing monster trucks, yeah. What else? What about the hotel? What did you like the best about the hotel?
Eating cereal.
You know, you can eat cereal at home.
Yep.
For some reason, we have cereal at home, always. But when my kids go on vacation, we always go to the grocery store, right?
Yep.
And we let them pick out their cereal. And I guess they pick like more sugary or fun ones than I usually pick at home. But then they eat cereal for many meals on vacation, which actually is a great money saver. But they just love it. What about the pool and the beach and all that and all the games?
I was going to the pool.
Yeah, it was so fun. There was a water slide.
Yes.
How many times did you go on the water slide?
A lot.
A lot. And the other fun part was there in the resort. I'm gonna do a whole separate video maybe if I remind me about this resort. I will definitely do a short. It's a Disney resort on Hilton Head Island. They have all these like little things set up for the kids to play. So there's like chess and bocce and shuffleboard and basketball and golf. Like just all around the resort, there's always things for them to be doing.
I like golf and chess too.
Yeah, and the playground. Yeah, the lodge had like the central lodge had a chessboard that they like. There's like free cookies in the afternoon and coffee in the morning and donuts. Mom? Yeah. So yes, I think I was really able to completely relax, which was so good. I think part of it was I just love the Disney company and like being on the Disney property was amazing. Each felt like really taking care of the customers, not customer service, but like just the level of service of the Disney properties is really amazing. So that was great. And our room was great. The kids were so happy. I think that's a big part of it too. Like, cause when we're home and I have to be like, okay, go do this, don't do this, you know, it just like can drain you. So it's really nice for them to be in a place that they were so happy too. And then I think I was talking about how in therapy I've really worked on just like focusing on my family and not getting distracted by all the dramas of like school, synagogue, friends, any of that. Again, not that any of them are like that dramatic. And I think that's kind of the point. It's like I don't need to get drawn into them. They're not that big of a deal.
Are you? Is this a boiling water?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
But yeah, so I think being on vacation was such a good time to really just be present. And it didn't even upload to Instagram. I filmed everything, and actually if you're interested in any of it, I saved it to a highlights on my page, and I've been uploading now that I'm back. So like on the way to the airport I started the upload, so it'll be like almost like as if I was living a week behind, but it gave me the chance when I was there to be fully present, which is another thing, again, tying back into what we talked about in therapy. Okay, so that's me all unpacked. I gotta get this boy a rubber band for his Pokemon cards, and just enjoy being home. Hopefully hold on to that good vacation vibes. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Definitely check out BetterHelp if you need some mental health vacation. Bye bye. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.